Good morning.
We are on our way to the animal kingdom for it's 6:20.
Right now is 6:26. Yeah.
So it's the earliest start yet. But we'll see how it goes. Outside, don't know.
The sun is not even out yet, guys. The commitment, you know.
Don't know how many people will be going for the entry on Animal Kingdom, but let's see.
The thing is, if you tell me I need to wake up 5 in the morning to go to work, I'll be like, ah. You tell me I need to wake up 5 in the morning in Disney, and I'll be like, let's do it. Maybe we'll be dying by the end of the day.
Well, it closes earlier as well, so swings and roundabouts.
That's it. I'll look at Pandora and the King of Safari. Let's go. Apparently, I took a nap on a bus.
Yeah, a very solid nap, I gotta say. It was like 15-minute nap, out, completely out. Like, the bus was bouncing and she was like...
I don't remember this.
Well, of course not, you were asleep.
But here we are. Birds are shifting.
And just waiting for the school tour.
Not tired.
Really?
It's 6:50. Maybe I need a second coffee.
Heading into the world of Pandora right now. Crossing the bridge. Gonna get in the line.
Walking as fast as we can to not qualify as running.
Yeah. But we are heading into Pandora now. Flight of passage is on its way.
7:42.
7:42.
Something delayed the opening.
Yeah, something delayed the opening a little bit. So we're just following the crowd now.
Yeah.
Everyone is going in the same direction.
Yeah. Pandora.
We're in Pandora.
Pandora. Look at this.
60 minutes when we walked under the sign. Let's see what time is it now.
Now it's 7:49.
7:49. So filled up really fast.
I think
Everyone
everyone
was
went
going
to
up
the
here,
same
yeah.
exact place. I didn't see anyone walking out of the
No,
entrance.
it's like a one line all the way from opening.
Yeah.
scan you for Pandoran microparasites. Alright everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan. You've all got them.
Oh no.
But don't worry.
Jonathan was matched already. Now I'm matched too.
Once the link takes place, you will be connected to your avatar and sitting on the back of an ikra. It'll feel like you're really there. Moments later, you'll begin your flight. As the Na'vi say during this important rite of passage, Sivak Ho, rise to the challenge. Good luck.
Oh my god.
On and off.
So beautiful.
It wasn't 60 minutes, it was 28 minutes from under the sign to now. It's like 8.
Yeah.
What time? 8:18 now.
When we sit down in the gear, 8:10, we left 8:17.
Yeah.
So yeah, for us it was the half an hour which initially showed before the park opened.
Yeah.
But I think after the whole bunch came,
Yeah.
it became 60 minutes.
No, it's gonna
then.
be.
But oh my god,
It was really good.
it's so beautiful. I wanted to cry. I was like, wow.
That entire world, like
It's
to be able to like, you're right
mind-blowing
there.
Beautiful.
Really
It's beautiful, man. And that came out of a mind of like, come on, James Cameron is like Walt Disney. He's different, and I had to imagine all of it. It's beautiful.
It was really good.
It's beautiful.
Now that the park is open for everybody, we're making our way over to Navi River Journey.
Anyone now?
Look, it has a
Oh yeah.
walking on the. Wow.
Look at that little beetle.
Sério,
It's a
gente.
blue beetle.
Olha.
So we just took again another pass photo, and we were the first in line after they changed photographers. And he stopped and he looked at me and he was like, "I see you," and then I just went, "I see you" back, and then he screamed in the air. He was like so excited that I had done it, and then he was like really like up for it and excited to take all of our photos.
Yeah.
You can tell it really like was good. And he said nobody else was doing it, and then he did the same thing to the next one we were packing up. He said the same thing to the next people. He went, "I see you," and they were like, "Hello," and he was different. So
Yeah, very
I see you.
excited for 9:20 in the morning.
Okay, moving out of Pandora now. Just to go to the other part of the park. We will come back here later, some food and snacks. It's beautiful. It really is beautiful.
Did you notice the floor?
Yeah, the floor with its leaves and
leaves.
decorations and patterns.
Really pretty. And the background sound all the time.
Yeah.
Oh,
Do you know, I really like the fact that
beautiful.
I've seen so many like real birds like fly into the
Yeah.
trees on the mountains. It's like they made it
feel
look
home.
so they feel home. Like they made it
feel
look
safe.
so lush and
Yeah.
green, and that the actual animals want to live there here and make nests and things. That's really cool.
Actually, there's no way we will. That sign is older than I am. It hasn't been updated since 1998. And then other antelopes because of those horns. Antelopes typically have very vertical horns. They're one of only 5 remaining species of rhino left on Earth. There's only about 10,000 of them left. They are an endangered species. Females lighter and brighter yellow. There is a couple there. The name hippopotamus actually comes from the Latin term hippopotamus, which means river horse. This is a painted dog, the most successful hunter in all of Africa. They're about 6 feet tall. I know. Really good to know that a brand new baby giraffe is already taller than I am. It does seem like these giraffes listen to too much Elton John though, because they do everything while still standing. When they sleep standing up, and when they give birth standing up. Those babies will drop 6 feet at birth. Left is the Hartsman Mountain zebra, a very distinct kind of zebra because their stripes don't fully connect underneath their belly, leaving them with a very plain and white stomach. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. I love her. What a wonderful phrase. Now he's jamming to phantasmic music. That's oh my God. Great googly moogly. I love her. Look at, she's really figuring out how to use that truck to get water. Well, okay, not all that efficiently based on what you just saw, but she's learning. On their wings. They are the largest type of flamingo, and they get their wonderful pink color from their diet.
It's a lion.
But beyond seeing these animals, we want to help them. As well, weight about 300 pounds per bird. 4 chambers in their stomach, and my goodness, they are so funny. All part of the same family as Tom Brady. Don't family's really big.
Walking over the rickety bridge.
Hey, look everyone, it's the Lion King! Welcome to the Go Fight!
Ain't no passing craze.
It's enough for this restless warrior just to be free. And can you feel the love
Festival of the Lion King. What do you think of
Yeah. Oh my gosh, so good. So good. Colorful. The best songs, isn't it?
that? Yeah.
It's
They
just
really
the
make
best.
it.
It's just the best.
It was a really good.
And I
mix
think it's
of
a good
everything.
angle also, like everyone will see
Yeah,
the
everyone-
good way. It's not like a bad seat. We were lucky to be in front, but you would see well from any angle.
And the way they interact with everybody as well.
Yeah. It's
Oh.
really, really good.
It was. I think it's one of the best shows so far that we've sat down to
Lion
watch.
King is like the winner, innit?
It
Always.
was so good.
Oh, thank you. Oh my goodness. Of course, I'm glad that your pastor let you journey here.
Where are you traveling from in your canoe together?
We came from London.
Oh, really? Oh, yes. Well, I know London.
Yeah.
It's very familiar. I do miss it quite often. You know, John Smith, right now, he's traveling all around the world and he likes to go to a new world and come back and tell me about all of his adventures.
Mhm.
So maybe one day you'll have to come travel with us sometime.
Definitely.
Is there anywhere in particular you would like to travel?
Well, we travel a lot to Brazil because it's where I grew up. But we want to go to the whole world, innit, baby?
Yeah. Wherever the wind takes us.
Oh, wonderful. Well, as long as I can canoe, as long as it's not too cold, maybe we can have a canoeing race sometime.
Definitely.
That was
What did you get? Love Pocahontas. So special.
so cute.
Look at this.
It's coconut, rum.
Yes, coconut rum with the ice slushy. We have the sampler, so chicken, ribs, and pulled pork, and point. Flame Tree Barbecue. Easily one of my favorite things so far that we've eaten. It was awesome.
Huge.
It was huge, and it was filling.
We had that one.
Yeah, we had the one that was
Ribs, chicken,
ribs, chicken, and pulled
and
pork
pulled
sampler.
pork as pork
Beans
sampler.
and coleslaw. It was so good. Definitely recommend. I'm so full now.
Yeah, we just need to wash our hands
Yeah.
badly.
Heading into Dinoland, USA. Now, I love dinosaurs, don't I? So I can definitely see myself coming back here for our next Florida trips, going on all the rides here because I love dinosaurs.
Can I tell you something?
Yeah, well,
They're gonna shut this down. Yeah.
you can.
Welcome to Dinoland, USA, the friendliest fossils in Florida.
Dino Institute has created the Time Rover, an amazing vehicle.
We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll!
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Oleoramus.
Dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identify.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Brace yourself! This is it!
Dinosaur.
I think the ride is as old as the dinosaurs because it bumps so much. It needs some oil.
So shaky.
Whoa, I'm gonna get sore. Yeah.
Do you think if I buy this, it's a good investment because it becomes a rare item once this place closes?
Possible. It's possible.
Just buy it and keep it in the box forever.
Yeah. It's possible.
Now it's going to become the Madrigals.
Ah, look at that.
Mickey Premium Ice Cream Bar. Happy on a hot day. It's perfect.
So, we're going to do this the way we do everything. Together.
Do you mind?
Shall we go to
So grab some shell and surf the easy with me.
That mountain is a roller coaster.
A roller coaster.
Roller
I
coaster.
wanna go.
We're gonna do it. Maybe this will wake us up.
Man,
We just
I
was in.
don't know what is going on.
We just was in Finding Nemo, the show.
I was falling asleep, guys.
I mean, it was nice. It was beautiful, the puppetry and all that, and the music as well. It just makes you want to, like, you know.
The show was beautiful. It's not that the show was boring. I'm extra sleepy today. I think waking up 5 a.m. does make a difference.
So we did Expedition Everest. They said when we walked in it was going to be a 70-minute wait, and I was like, oh man, like, well, it's one of the last ones we got to do, but it turned out to be only like 20 minutes. So now we're going to do the Kali River Rapids, cool off a bit maybe. So we're gonna have our dinner at Saturi Canteen, but we're both still full from Flame Tree Barbecue, so we're gonna ride Flight of Passage one more time. It's a 40-minute wait, which is slower than it has been most of today. So let's do it again.
Fluorescent.
This is the closest we'll get to seeing some bioluminescence, as it is now the park has closed. Get one last ride on the Navi River journey to cap off the day.
And it was even quicker than the one this morning.
It was really quick.
It was just walk
Pretty
to.
much walk to the boats.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's it. That's another full day at the park.
Yeah. And a very, very early start one.
Very early start, for
That's
sure.
good.
Thanks for watching and joining us on this dream trip.
Stay tuned, more vlogs and magical content are on the way.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what your favorite part of the day was.
See you in our next video.
Bye!